Welcome back, house hunters. In this week's episode from Discover the Overseas, we are heading back to Italy to look at properties all within the region of Umbria. Umbria is truly a hidden gem, sitting right in the center of Italy, hiding in plain sight. Today, I will show you that you could make your dream of retiring in Italy or buying a holiday home a reality. Umbria offers some of the best bargains to be found in Italy. For the last year, I have been searching for the best deals in the best locations all over Italy and posting them here on my channel. If that interests you, check out my playlist on Italy here and subscribe to help this channel grow so I can keep making videos for you. This week, we are going to be focusing on properties all 45,000 euros or less, all within the beautiful region of Umbria. So stick around as I show you 4 incredible properties at affordable prices that need little to no work. Central Italy has 5 regions: Abruzzo, Lazio, Marche, Tuscany, and Umbria, with Umbria further being broken up into only 2 provinces, Perugia and Terni. The region has a population of around 850,000 people and is the only landlocked region on the Apennine Peninsula. Umbria has the Apennine Mountains going north to south down its east side and is crossed by 2 valleys, the Umbrian Valley stretching from Perugia to Spoleto and the Tiber Valley from Città di Castello to the border of Lazio. The region experiences a Mediterranean climate with hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Umbria has peaks covered in lush forests and large valleys outlined by rivers, lakes, and waterfalls. It's surrounded by villages and castles, crossed by paths steeped in history, culture, and art, in an incredible natural environment, often called the Green Heart of Italy. Is all this and so much more. The first area we will look at is Sant Anatolia de Narco in the province of Perugia, with a population of around 260 people, also known as the Hemp Village. Sitting in the heart of Umbria, standing on a river terrace, overlooking the flat area below called Le Canapine, in memory of when hemp was cultivated along the banks of the narrow river. The village preserves its medieval structure with access gates and 14th century walls where 2 15th century towers stand. Around the town, there are numerous castles and places of worship such as the Abbey of Saints Felice and Mauro and Castel San Felice, and the main square houses the Hemp Museum and Church of Santa Anatolia. The first property is in a beautiful location, surrounded by amazing stone buildings, and is 40 square meters, and comes with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The apartment is on the ground floor, and you step into an open living room, dining room, which is a really good space. There are lovely tiles on the floor, and an independent pellet stove on the wall for heat. The kitchen is just off the living room and is in great condition with room for a small dining table as well. The single bedroom is a nice size with room for cupboards along the wall. The bathroom is also a good size, with room for some cupboards, a bidet, and a bathtub with a shower. Finally, there is a cellar with the property as well, perfect for storage. This is a great location with some restaurants close by and also shops to choose from as well. There's also a vet, pharmacy, school, as well as golf clubs. If there is anything you can't find in town, you can take the bus to nearby Spoleto for supplies, or a day out, or even directly to Spoleto train station, which can connect you with other parts of Italy. There is also a ski resort very close by, and Perugia Airport is around a 40-minute drive, keeping you connected with the rest of the world. This property is for sale for 28,000 euros, or around $32,000. This is a fantastic deal for a property in a quiet, beautiful area, but with easy access to nearby Spoleto. The second area we will look at is Massa Martana, also in the province of Perugia, with a population of around 3,700 people. Massa Martana is an ancient town in the Monte Martani mountain range. It is one of those classic walled towns of central Italy, enclosed within massive defensive walls. The main street, Via Regina Margherita, is dotted with restaurants, trattorias, and artisan shops. Once you pass the entrance gate, decorated with sculpted stones and the town's coat of arms, you will stop and see the elegant architecture and many precious works of art, such as the Church of San Felice on the town's main square, Piazza Umberto, dedicated to the town's patron saint, or the Church of San Sebastiano, which houses a precious painting from 1595. The surroundings of Massa Martana are just as charming, and you can drive along winding roads amid rolling hills, typical of central Italy. Next up, we have a cozy apartment in the city's historic center on the first floor and is 45 square meters. The apartment has one bedroom and one bathroom and shares an entryway with one other apartment. First, we walk up the steps of the shared entryway and you enter into the open living room, dining room, kitchenette area. You can see right away that the apartment is in incredible condition and is beautiful, with its exposed beams on the ceiling, fireplace, and floor tiles throughout, and the kitchen is a lovely dark wood as well. Then you step into the large main bedroom. There is room in here for a work desk and cupboards along the wall, and you have an ensuite in here with a full shower and bidet as well. Our second property is in a great location with some restaurants close by and shops in the area. If there is something you can't find in town, you can take the bus to Todi in around 20 minutes or drive there in less. There are vets, pharmacy, schools, gyms, and golf clubs nearby as well. If there is something you can't find nearby, you could drive to Terni in only 30 minutes and make a day out of it. Also, there's a ski resort pretty close by, a hospital, and Perugia Airport is just a 45-minute drive away as well. This property is for sale for 35,000 euros, or around $40,000. This is an amazing deal for an apartment of this quality in a beautiful village with many other incredible villages nearby. Next area we will look at is Terni, which is the capital of the province of Terni and has a population of around 100,000 people. Terni is rich in artistic and scenic beauty. Besides the Roman amphitheater, still partly preserved, the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, the Romanesque Tower of the Barbarossa family, and the Basilica of St. Valentine are all a sight to behold. The town's boundaries are within the Nera River Park, which is ideal for all water sports. And in the immediate surrounding area, you can also enjoy the fascinating beauty of the Marmor waterfall, one of the tallest in Europe, Pideluco Lake, and the Carsule Archaeological Park, which preserves the remains of the Roman city along the Via Flaminia. Our next property is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath that is around 130 square meters. Outside, there is a small pedestrian gate opening to a courtyard outside of the entrance. On the ground floor, there is a living room with a cozy fireplace, a decent-sized kitchen with room for a dining table, then a hallway leading upstairs to another open hallway taking you to the 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Bedroom 1 is large with beautiful tiles on the floor and a large window with nice views of the village. Bedroom 2 is also pretty big with large wall cupboards and glass doors with amazing views of the village letting in lots of light, and a full bathroom with bidet and shower. This property is in an amazing location with many restaurants in town, as well as many shops to choose from. There is a major train station here to keep you connected with the rest of Italy. Everything you need is available from vets, pharmacies, schools, gyms, and golf clubs. There is also a ski resort, hospital, and Perugia Airport is about an hour drive or accessible by train in 2.5 hours as well. This property is for sale for 42,000 euros or around $48,000. This is a great deal for someone wanting to live in a small city with everything on their doorstep. This could make a great holiday home or let as well. Our final property today is in Todi, in the province of Perugia, with a population of 17,000 people. In the heart of the city is the splendid Piazza del Popolo, overlooked by the palaces of secular and religious power. The Palazzo del Popolo, one of the oldest municipal buildings in Italy, dating back to 1224, and the Palazzo del Capitano in Gothic style. Just before entering the heart of the historical center is the imposing church of Santa Maria della Consolazione, one of the highest works of the Renaissance in Umbria. It's a delightfully tranquil town with fine views from high on its hill above the river Tiber, across hills dotted with isolated hamlets, olive groves, sunflower fields, and rolling farmland. Our final property today is on 2 levels just minutes from the historic center of town. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, a cellar and terrace with a private parking space, and is 80 square meters. Starting on the first floor is the kitchen, which is in great condition and has plenty of space even for a full-size dining table. Also on the first floor is a large and cozy living room that has a pellet stove as well as radiators. Upstairs to the 2 bedrooms and bathroom. The first bedroom is big, with floor-to-ceiling cupboards along the entire wall, giving plenty of storage space, and has glass doors, allowing fresh air and plenty of light and leading to the balcony. The second room is perfect for guests, or a kid's room, or could be converted for storage or a study. Also with plenty of room for cupboards and glass doors, letting in loads of light. And there is a modern bathroom with bidet and stand-up shower. Outside, it is a lovely stone building, and you can see the balcony that the 2 bedrooms share. Our final property today is in an amazing location, with all the restaurants you need and plenty of shops as well. In town, there is a bus and coach station, which is a great way to get around Europe or if you need to get around locally. You are also only around a 40-minute drive to Terni if there is something you need you can't find locally. Nearby, there is also a pharmacy, vet, schools, and golf club as well. There is also a ski resort pretty close, a hospital. Perugia Airport is just under a 40-minute drive as well, keeping you well connected. This property is for sale for 45,000 euros, or around $52,000. This is a great opportunity to own a beautiful apartment in a great town that's not too small and not too big. This could also make a great investment as a holiday home or let as well. Do you think Umbria is somewhere you could picture yourself retiring in? Is there somewhere else that you would like me to make a video on? Leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel where I release a new video every week. Check out my previous videos on Italy here. See you next week and happy house hunting.